So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will make a moving car with HTML and CSS. So if you like this, I am without starting the video, I am requesting you to please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this video. So without wasting our time, let's start this video. Here I am making a file named car.html and simply writing the code. HTML head title and title will be moving car, and then I am linking this to car.css. Okay, herf is car.css, and then I will take a body. I will take a div class and body tag. Wait a second, I am writing here. I have written a body tag, and here will be div class Rahul. And let's start editing this by making a new file name car.css, and the images which are used in this video you will find it all in the description. I have given all the links in the description, and here you can see I have given the height is equals to 100 vh, width is equals to 100%, background image will be our sky.jpg, and background size will be contain, and then cover and position will be our relative, overflow will be hidden. And let's check how this works. So let's save this and we will go simply to our file. So here you can see the photo has came, and then next start editing by making another div class name highway, and then we start editing this highway. And here we will first take height as 300 pixels, 200 pixels, and width will be our 500%. Next display will be our as it is block, and next background image will be our URL highway.jpg. Next highway.jpg, not road.jpg. Here I have saved as road.jpg. Position is as it is absolute, bottom is 0, left is 0, and z index will be 1. Background repeat x, and our animation is highway 1 second linear infinite. Linear infinite means it infinite times goes to the leftward direction. See, the road has came. Let's move to the leftward direction. To move road to the leftward direction. Okay, about infinite times. Okay, so keyframes I am giving 100%, transform translate x. Here will be minus 1400 pixels. See, it starts at moving. Then next we will make another div class named city, and let's start editing the city. Height is 250 pixels, and the width I have given is 500%. Background image is URL city.png, and next position is absolute, bottom is 200 pixels, left is 0 as it is, right is 0, and display will be as it is blocked, z index is 1, and background repeat is repeat x. Animation is city 20-second linear infinite, and keyframes is as it is minus 1400 pixels. Let's see this, and the city is also moving, so we have to make this car moving, and by taking div class is equals to car, and image src is car.png. Next I think I will take height as 400 pixels, left will be 50%, bottom will be 100 pixels. Transform I think I have to take translate 500 minus 50 pixels, and next position will be our absolute, z index is 2, keyframes of car will be 100%, transform translate y. Wait a second, I think I will take car image, and then I have to edit this by taking width as 100%, and animation will be car 1 second linear infinite. So here we have to take keyframes of car, dot car I have written, and car 100%, transform translate y is minus 1 pixels, and next 50% here will be came, so 50%, transform translate y is equals to plus 1 pixels. So here you can see here the car have come by moving. Okay, then this car is in leftward direction. Here the car is coming in the center. Then next we have to take div class equals to wheel, and image will be our wheel.png. Class will be our back wheel and front wheel. Okay, because we have to edit the both of the wheels, so back wheel and front wheel. So let's start editing the wheel by taking height. No, we don't take height. Here we will take left as 50% and bottom will be 170 pixels, and next we will take transform translate minus 50%. Next will be our position will be absolute, x and z index, sorry, z index will be 2, and next wheel image will be with 72 pixels and height also 72 pixels. Animation will be wheel 1 second, linear infinite, and next our background back wheel and front wheel we have to edit. So left is 165 pixels and position is absolute. As it is, we have to make a front wheel, so dot front wheel, and left is our, I think, 80 pixels, and position is absolute. Keyframes of wheel will be will be 100% transform, rotate 360 degree. So yeah, our code is complete, and let's see here. Here you can see that our car is moving, road is moving, as it is buildings are also moving. So this was our whole code, and that's all for today. And if you and I request you to please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you are new to this video, you can give this code in your websites and anything, and the photos are in the description of the link of the photos are in the description of this video. So that's all for today. Please like this video. Then the like aim is 70 likes. So yeah, goodbye and peace. Thanks for watching.